Hey, what's going on? Now we're talking about Mr. Three Speeds RCI 2970 he sent in here. Of course, we're going to do the unboxing real quick. Couple of dents and dings in it here, but exactly the way I received it from Mr. Three Speed. So let's go ahead and just open this box up real quick. He has a note inside. So let's go ahead and just do that. What I found out when I was talking to him, this is one of those old school 2970s. It's also a 2 million mile radio. Yeah, these Rangers set up nice. Yeah, 2 million miles. So he sent this in to have some stuff done. So the note's right here, so I'm going to put this off to the side. Mr. Three Speed. And yeah, it is packed very well, so I'm going to make sure that I do it its justice here and just pull it out of the package and make sure for him that he has that same radio he sent to me. Oh, he has the nice Road King Chrome. Nice mic. Nice mic. So we'll put that off to the side for him and make sure we don't have any other loose things. Okay, he does have... Okay, so he does have it... copper just fully exposed, so I got to talk to him about that. What he wants to do there. But as he said, it's 98 or so model. Let's get this off the table, sir. 98 or so model, and excuse me for bumping the camera, but 96, 98 model. But yeah, these are spiraled off here, it looks like. So I got to talk to him about connections on this here, but it's coming right out here. So I don't know, Anderson clips or something like that on this. So we're going to talk to him about that. But yeah, it's definitely been in use. This heat sink has definitely gone gold and lost a lot of its black on it. A little bit in there too. But yeah, I wouldn't expect anything less from a radio that's been around 2 million miles. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this thing, and I can definitely see it's been used quite a bit on this keypad. But I'm going to look over his notes. Mr. Three Speed, you're on the bench, sir. Now we're back with Mr. Three Speed's RCI 2970. Of course, it has some dents and dings. It's been used. I'll pull those out best I can. But yes, this is a very used radio. Custom power cord in there. It's actually nice. I actually do like that grommet on there. But yeah, we have bare copper on this. And his issue, from what he has sent me in a letter, I appreciate it, sir, that Mr. Three Speed had some issues on channel 19, and all of a sudden they'd switch to channel 18 somehow, and you have to tune down there, and then it would come back again. That's never good. You want to be on the channel you want to be on and continue on with it. Now, he said his power hasn't dropped since he got it. He got it in 2002, and he had this purchased from another driver, I believe. And yeah, this radio's done over 2 million miles across the country, giving us all of our foods and products that we need. But yeah, this is a, let's see, serial is 426644. So that's his radio. So we're going to make sure we do it right. I'm going to do the best to white this up. He also wants to have the amp switch on there. I have to find out if he wants the LED, and if he does, what color he wants it. So otherwise, yeah, we're going to go ahead and power this up. I was expecting, a regular 2970, but someone's been in it, obviously, to do the mods. But it's a better mod than this, because actually the original factory power cord, as you see, just splits off positive and negative between two of them. So yeah, you lose that amperage right on the gate. But in any regard, Mr. 3-Speed, you're on this bench, and we'll do very good care with this radio for you. Appreciate it. We'll be back.